You know, the other day I had this garlic cloves, honey, and then it was kind of thick, so I went and boiled water and added it to this to make it a little bit more of a cough medicine. It's so delicious and it works. Y'all should try this if you have a hacking cough. Add lemon to it too if you like. Drink this, you'll get well immediately.